Sup guys, and welcome to the very first Let's Play of Minecraft. Today we're gonna play Breakable by CDF man, the man that put the D in the man. Is this room black for all players? If not, install texture pack now. Yes, it is. Hello. Anybody there? Anybody here? Nope. Guess it's just me. Hi guys.
And then I said, amateur, you just dropped an ender pearl on an ender eye frame. Anyway, I've been reviewing the results from Unbreakable. Overall, they were very positive. Most completed the experience, but there were a few who broke out of the simulation. Now, those players have been dealt with, but as top experienced designers, I would not expect that to be possible from you. It gives our guests too much information and is quite embarrassing when we have to waste such valuable resources. I want these leaks fixed. I won't allow this to happen again. Do you understand me, Hans and Franz? Yeah! Good. Now prepare the subject. I've got players to stalk. Welcome, player, to the CDF testing facility. My name is Hans, and today we will be testing to see if you can break our little simulations. CDF is not very happy about what happened in our last simulation, so this time we have designed it to make sure that you cannot break it, period. Now we have a couple of chambers for you to go through, just to make sure that, you know, it is impossible to proceed. So let us begin with the first one, yeah? Let us begin. So, this is really easy. All you have to do is press the button, yeah?
Blurp, 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 blurp. No, look at the pretty, witty little house. Look at the witty house. Let's go inside and find the button, the button, button, Jim button, J. Oh my god, I've been goofing around for so long and I could just break the window and just run through it and find the button! The button! Let's press to continue. Continue.
That was merely a simple test. Now the real fun begins, yeah?
Let's go. CDF movie or theater? Theater, movie, theater, movie, theater, movie, theater. Okay, listen up, man. We're gonna go to the theater. We're not going to the CDF movie. You're gonna have to get over it. Come on, just follow me and we'll go to the theater. Come on, just follow me. Just hello? Hi there, sir. Can I have a ticket for... Sir, please behave. Planet of the Grapes. Let's go see the movies. What? Wait a minute. CDFD man, let's play, let's build, let's discover. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to censor this. Projection booth. Let's go inside and mess this up. Oh, whoa. Oh, there's a music disc here. And I wonder what's on it. Can we listen to it? Can we? No! There it is. The button is up there. But how do we get there? That's okay, maybe if we jump up here and whoop, and we jump up here and still too far. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Okay guys, so apparently I can break these panels and it gives me glowstone dust. So can I make blocks out of it? Is that allowed? I don't know. I didn't check the rules, but who cares? I don't. Woo, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay guys, I gathered like 29 glowstone dust and we're gonna make it into glowstone. And we've got 9 glowstone blocks. I hope it's high enough. Is it high enough? I mean, is it enough? Let's go 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try and get up there and press a button. Press a button. Press a button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? We're actually here. We're gonna... Press to continue. Press to continue.
I see how much you are climbing through these simulations, but maybe we need to root you back into reality.
I know how much you like this simulation. Maybe we should really root you into reality.
Oh my god, gorgeous! Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, please click the like button. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe and hope to see you next time. Bye guys!